Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove emojis from your pictures. So let's get started by open the clean up pictures on your website on your Chrome. So this is the clean up pictures by click drop. So choose your picture right here. You can drag or click in here. Search your image with emoji. This one for example. So you continue with SD or you can try Pro 3 days free, but I think continue with SD is enough. So you can brush here. You can try to adjust the size. This one, want to remove this. Just take for a while, take your time, and it's gone. The emoji is gone as you can see. It's not a perfectly gone, but yeah, the emoji is there is no emoji anymore. Let's try again. You have to wait and done. The emoji is gone. So please free to try to open these clean up pictures. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you.